ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Inspector General Jong Katanat Shipai Yada Kapot Border Security Force Ubapet ya ka Meghalaya Frontier Hardip Singh ha ka Pratarik Ukala Lengkot Arajar Arpuway Ulaong baka jingdawa jong kipaj ba nong shnong ka jila Meghalaya banker Sainar Shia nado Zero Line hasilenter ka Kapot jong kari India bat kari Bangladesh kalong ka bumla long satya namar baka Sorkar India kaladep yasoy ya ki soskular bat ka Sorkar Bangladesh baka jingker yi ki Sainar Shia kadai banlong ha ka jingjingai ka bashispa san phuyat na umauput uba penyapya yekini ki artli kiri haba kren chikilat pathai khubor Hardip Singh ulaong balada ka Sorkar India ka kwa banker yi ki Sainar Shia nado Zero Line kan hab ban yo shwa ye ka jingmunjor na ka clearance na ka Sorkar Bangladesh.
We have already, out of 448 kilometers of the borders of the country of Meghalaya with Bangladesh, almost 70% borders is fenced. Other areas which are not fenced, the orders has already been given to construction agency, and this construction is under progress, and this will be completed soon. There are few patches where we need some clearance from the Bangladesh government. We have already taken a case with them, and it is in the process, and it's likely to be received the clearance very soon. So I am hopeful that whole borders will be fenced very soon. No, there is an issue in some area where people have demanded that fencing should be at the zero line. But fencing, it is not possible to lay fencing at the zero line because as per the agreement with the Bangladesh government, you can't have such infrastructure at zero line that's beyond 150 yards near the border. So anything which is coming between IB and 150 yards, you need a clearance from the Bangladesh government. So you have to lay fencing at 150 yards from the IB. So we have already taken with the concerned deputy commissioners and even with the chief secretary, so that the fencing is laid wherever the land acquisition is pending. So I am hopeful that the fencing will be laid. There are two issues in this. One issue is that acquisition of the land. So there is like earlier it is pointed out that in some areas it is being pointed out that fencing should have zero line. So we have already discussed with the civil administration. The government of India has already cleared, the money has been allocated for that. So whenever this clearance is received or land is acquired, the fencing, the agency which has been given to lay the fencing, they are ready to lay the fencing. So we had meetings with the concerned deputy commissioners on a very regular basis. Even I also met Chief Secretary. So Chief Secretary has ensured that this land will be acquired soon. Payment will be made to the landowners and fencing will be completed. So it is very difficult to give a specific timeline, but I am hoping that within a year this should be completed. Your second question, first we have a total 13 areas, they are small patches. 100 meters, 200 meters, where the with the area where we have to lay fencing beyond 150 yards. So they are total 13 areas. Somewhere it is 100 meters, 200 meters, such areas. So in our DGLT meeting also this point was discussed. So hopefully we will receive the clearance from BGP. Your first issue regarding cattle smuggling. These cattle are coming to Meghalaya from outside also, right from Guwahati onwards. So BSF is not seizing the cattle in interior areas. When they reach near to the borders, then we seize the cattle. So as I have told that during this year we have seized more than 10,000 cattle. So whenever they reach in the border areas and we find that these cattle are not for use in Meghalaya or maybe smuggled, so then we seize the cattle, even we apprehend the person who are involved in that smuggling, and these are the FIR is lodged against them in the police stations, and further investigation is done by the police, and cattle are kept in the area which are specified and they are feeded there.